Now our stairs down here, everything is going to be done right inside, right behind this walls. And I'll take you inside in a moment and show you. But all our stairs are going to be built the same way, using screws and glue. There's no nails, okay? You can take a look at the back here, the additional wedges that we put on behind here. A very, very solid set of stairs. Our standard set would be a southern yellow pine. I don't know if I have here's a southern yellow pine. Or, which is very, very popular, or like the office, a southern yellow pine rise with an oak tread. So painting the riser and then staining the treads. Or if you wanted to go to a solid oak, absolutely. Here's a solid oak set. Just letting us know what species of material you want your stairs built out of. Last year we built about 4 to 5 sets out of a Brazilian cherry stairs, as well as one of our drafters built his new Barden home, and he wanted his stairs built out of a wormy maple. So again, you can see a lot of the options are entirely up to you, because again, one of the other things you heard me talk about, the kitchens is a very popular place to maybe upgrade certain things. The stairs are another, because stairs can be considered, in the event you have a 2-story home or a staircase, they're one of the largest pieces of furniture in your home, okay? So they can certainly accentuate that focal point of your home. But this here is an example of a full oak set. It's got a lot of stuff going on. It's got a closed set on a wall. It's open tread on the other side. Or you can get as decorative as you want. You can see this bullnosing here. This is what we call a bullnosing. It's a radiused edge. Or this is also another example here on this end. But what you'll notice is, and I'm a little embarrassed to tell you this because I've been with the company for about 7 years, but it's only been about a year and a half that I learned this. So, but I'm going to share it with you. We actually build these bullnoses right here. I thought we ordered them in. I thought we brought them in and we started the fabrication. But no, these gentlemen, they're skilled carpenters. They will actually cut the kerfs out, and then they'll actually heat this up with an iron and a wet cloth, and they'll actually form that bullnose. They'll actually finish this cove molding off as well. And what I'll do is I'll bring you inside here, and I'll actually show you how they do that. This is what we call our trim room. Now I'm going to bring everyone's attention, we'll kind of filter over here a little bit. But one of the things I want to show you is down this way. This also, you'll see a large dust collection system. The environment changed in here a little bit too. You'll see the cords start coming from the ceilings. It's a little bit more quiet during the day. But that's our dust collection system, but that's our stringer machine right over here. That stringer machine is where we're going to be cutting out the treads, okay? Or your stringers for both sides of the stairs. Now what it is every stairs is built to a different specs, different rise and run. So we can actually control it to the rise and run of the stairs that we're actually building. Now we're going to set both sides, both stringers all in at one time. It's got a router blade at the bottom and at the top. So we're going to route out both stringers all at one time. Then we also have, you'll see here, we have a series of different treads in different lengths in the southern yellow pine and the oak. Southern yellow pine and oak are the two most popular species of stairs, so that's what we actually stock. However, that Brazilian cherry and whether it's a white oak or things of that nature, those are popular options, but we would order them in on a per job basis. I was looking through here and I thought I saw an example of that Brazilian cherry somewhere. So I'm just going to look around here and see. I do. Right here, that's an example of that Brazilian cherry. Take a feel of that, sir, and feel the weight on that. Yeah. That's actually got a coat. This could a clear coat and almost have a finished set of stairs. Yeah, absolutely. Pass it around. Take a look at it. So again, it's just specifying exactly what species of material you want those stairs built out of. Now here, you're going to notice, you see this board right here? It's got the kerfs cut on it. That's going to be done right over here for those bullnose applications. And bear with me for just a second. I'm just going to grab these. But to build those bullnoses, you'll see over here underneath this table that we actually have them pre-built, pre-made. Okay? This is a standard size. However, these can be customized. Say you wanted a 2-tier bullnose, or maybe you wanted it just a wider one at the bottom, they can certainly be done. But we're going to have them pre-made, and this is where we're going to cut the kerfs out on that piece of flat stock there. Now we're going to take this bullnose and our piece of flat stock down here to this end. And literally, you'll see an iron. Iron on steam and a damp cloth. You'll see this board's got a little bit of flex to it already, but that steam will heat it up, and they'll follow it all the way through, and he'll finish nail it on the other side. Glue it up, We'll set them on the side, we'll glue and let it dry, and then they'll take it to these stairs and they'll start that fabrication right from here. So as you can see, this is actually a double bullnose. They're actually working on both ends of this. You can see also too the different screws and where they're going. In the event that you have a wider set of stairs that may require a third stringer, that can certainly be done as well. But definitely I've taken a lot of builders, framers through here, and one of the things that they've just been, in awe of are the stairs. We really take a lot of attention to detail here on our finished set of stairs in the building of them. In the event that you have a two-story house and you have a landing deck, since we're building your stairs, we're actually going to send out your landing deck already pre-built. So again, it's just as simple as putting that in, and you can keep the framing end going. Also, what's a very, very popular option are your finished basement stairs. Standard stairs for a Barden home would be a knockdown, like a pressure-treated or a 2x stringers, open stringers with a 2x10 or 2x12 tread. But also what's a popular option are to do a finished Southern Yellow Pine set of stairs to the basement. We can certainly build those as well. And it's literally a minimal upgrade to do something like that, to have a nice finished set down to your basement. Also, the finishing materials, going back to that bullnose, I failed to mention that, but these they actually build these right here as well. You'll see here, this one says Starsky. Looks like Starsky left. What they do is they actually have 2 pencil lines. All right, they start every bullnose is individually done, and then it goes to here. This one here starts out with a piece of flat stock, 2 pencil lines. They'll route out that outside edge. Then they're actually going to get that to the look of cove, and then they're going to go ahead and route out that inside pencil line, just like here, and that will just leave that finished strip, and that'll finish the radius edge, and then they'll finish the face at a 45, a piece of flat stock at a 45. So, and that'll finish that cove molding. So these gentlemen out here are very, very skilled craftsmen. Some of them come from actually furniture making backgrounds that actually are incorporated.